Hello everyone, welcome to Tractor.com. In this lecture we will understand a very simple topic which is cofactor. So cofactor of an element Aij is basically the multiplication of its minor ij Mij with minus 1 to the power I plus j. Okay, so what I want to say here is if we want to calculate the cofactor of A32, okay, we shall represent this cofactor as capital letter A and then 32, okay, equals minor of minor of M32 into minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2, which is equal to, this is power is odd, 3 plus 2 is 5, which is odd, so this will be minus 1 into minor of 32 is, we will hide this row and column and we will write rest of the elements, okay, this column and this row. Well, so it will be A11, A13, then A21, A23. Fine. So this is basically cofactor of element A32. Okay, now I guess you don't have any doubt, but I would like to ask you a question here, that what will be the sum of product of the elements of a row with its corresponding cofactors. Okay, let's understand what I want to ask. I want to ask you that what will be the value of A11 into its cofactor will be A11 plus A12 into A12 plus A13 into A13. What will be the value of this? Well, I hope you know this, but let's try to figure it out. Okay, so let's take a simple example. 3, 2, 1, 4. This is a matrix we have, determinant we have. Now let's try to evaluate this expression for this determinant. As this determinant is 2 cross 2, so we will not have these things, we will have only up to 1 2. Okay, so let's find out. Now A11 is 3 into 4. Okay, the minor of 3 will be this and hiding this and hiding this. Okay, so only 4 will be remaining, so 4, and then plus 2 into cofactor of 2. So what will be cofactor of 2? 1, but we will have to multiply minus 1 into 1 plus 2, okay, and then the minor. Okay, so this is basically cofactor of 2. So what is the value? 3 cross 4 minus, this will be minus 1 and then 2. So what is this? So it will be 12 minus 2 equal to 10. Fine. So let's understand what is this. This is basically the value of this determinant. Okay, 3 cross 4 minus 2 into 1, which is 10. That is the value of determinant. Okay, so now here comes the conclusion. So if we have expression where we are multiplying the row of the elements of a row or the elements of a column with the corresponding cofactors and adding them, okay, then the value will be the determinant itself. Okay, basically this is the formula for calculating determinant. Okay, so this is very important point to understand, although we know this, but we have to analyze like this. Okay, because the questions are just the simple questions but a little bit twisted. Okay, so we have to understand these things up to that level. Fine. So even if we have a practice of calculating determinant like this, but if somebody asks this question in in form of a sentence, like what will be the product of the sum of the product of the elements multiplied with its cofactor. So the sentence itself becomes little longer and we get confused. Well, so we have to make the practice of solving these kind of questions also. Fine. So I hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, you can ask the question in doubt section. Thanks for watching.